Now it's time for Top That Trade. Joining us today for our trader game, Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Uckman, an options trading guru. Here we go, guys. Round number one, Moonshot Mania. Is the Tesla takeoff just beginning or about to end?
Wow, this is a move. 125% in 3 months. That's straight up. What's nice to see is 2018, they talked about the moonshot for Elon Musk, where if they could get it up to $100 billion of market value, that he gets a big bonus. It's nice to see him get his money.
And he's doubling down on his own bet. He's going to say, hey, I'll do the same deal if the stock goes even higher in the future. Listen, I've always been a big believer in Tesla. I was an early investor. I got out too early, hoping to get back in.
Sold too soon.
So I did sell too soon, and I regret it. I made a lot of money, but I regret it right now because
I regret making a lot of money.
Sometimes you got to believe in it. This is a good lesson for investors, because I got in. I was a big believer in this country. I used to tell people, I believe in Tesla. This is my retirement stock. I'm going to keep it till I retire. I'm not going to get rid of this thing because it's going to be the biggest stock ever. But then I got talked out of it.
They've only made 400,000 cars in the last year. Compare that to Volkswagen, which made 10 million. So they've got a lot of potential. Potential just means that hasn't happened yet.
Agreed.
Round number two, commodities comeback attack. Are the commodities now a value play?
I think they are. I mean, this is one of the sectors that have been beaten up in a big way. Part of it because of the U.S.-China trade war.
Right.
In fact, if you look at right now the discrepancy between where the stock market is and where the price of commodities are, it's at a historic discrepancy.
You need some rubber band snapback.
Yeah, some rubber band snapback.
So looking at the numbers, the S&P GSCI, which is a measure of commodities, trading between 2,000 and 3,000 since 2015. So that's, if we can break out of this range, right now we're about the halfway point at 2,500. We can break out of this range, then we're at 4,000. This was at 5,000, which is double where it is right now, just in 2014. So again, there's a lot of upside potential. A lot of commodities actually did well in 2019, even though it didn't feel that way. Crude was up 30%, coffee 30%, lumber 30%, gold up 20%. So maybe the bottom base is there.
The last time you had this discrepancy between the price of oil and the stock market was 1999. Oil prices bottomed there, I think, from a low of $10 and went up to about 140. So there's a lot of upside here.
Round number three, worst or first? How do you rank the airlines?
Qantas.
Isn't that interesting that out of the main four ones in the United States, Delta, American, Southwest, and United, that the stock performance last year correlated, again, is it causation or correlation, directly to the returns? The best rated ones had the best returns.
Well, I think that's true in a good economy, because people are willing to splurge a little bit more on an airline ticket if they feel they're getting better service, better comfort. If the economy's not doing good, then these economy flights do very well. But if you
super economy, they got like super economy, like you get nothing.
Yeah, you fly on the wing is what you do. You get on the wing,
absolutely
right?
Zero. But looking at these four stocks, I like them all because their PEs are 8, 5, 8, and 7. So there's a lot of potential here with these stocks, I think, and they're maybe ready to fly.
Yeah, you ever notice on the super economy when they're giving you the safety warning?
I'm a big man. I'm not a super economy size man.
No, you're not. No doubt about that.
Here's your bonus round question for today. Eli Manning retiring today from the NFL. It's the closest to the pin. How much did he earn in salary during his 16-year career?
I'm going to say 45 million.
Over 100 million.
The answer is $252 million.
We're way low.
Wow.
We're way low.
Not bad. Plus, he's got 2 Super Bowls.
I actually think he has 3, right? No, maybe
2. I think
is it 2 or 3? 2 or 3?
That's not the question. I got the question right.
You got one right. It's about time. Your streak has been broken. Thank goodness.
We have to toss it to the break. Business for Sam continues right after this.